everyone. So I'm back. Look at this unit. So today I'm here with, a quick DIY for you ladies. So, have you just ever, look at this, my little thing is all crooked. Have you ever, just looking like, you want that pop of color because you have so many units, but of course you don't have that unit and that color? Well, I have a solution for you because this is what I do with my units. Now, this unit right here, I made this one with, it's from the hair is from the Shake and Go collection. It's the Malaysian body wave, and if you looked at, some of my previous videos last year, I made a unit and I named her the Tootsie Roll wig because it's the Tootsie Roll colors because, like I said, everyone's eating a Tootsie Roll, okay? But I ordered the magic curler and things because I put, if I see something, like, oh, okay, I can color the hair because these, they dry fast, and you can also curl with them and everything when it's after it dries. You can curl the hair, do whatever it is you want with the hair. But these are very great. They're very quick, and bam, you have a pop of color. Because this gray hair, I love this. I don't know, I seem to be fixated on the gray hair since last year. So I made another one, with the same Shake and Go Malaysian 7-piece. You get 7 pieces plus a closure. But with this, you get your gloves. You get 6 colors. You have a pink and a green. You have the orange and the blue. And you have the red and the purple. So because it's the gray, I did some on this side. I'm going to show you. You just take and you put the hair because they're like little combs. We're going to do pink and purple on this silver hair. See, you just slide it. And that is it's coming out. As you can see that. There you go. See? That's the pink, and we're going to take and going to add some purple in there. But I go halfway the pink, so they can like blend in. Ladies, you have to blend everything in. Look at that. Okay? Can you see that? The pink and purple looks really good on the silver. So, this is going to dry. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and recurl this because, some of the curls are gone. Now I want to tighten the curl and what have you. And I'm going to come back and show you the finished product because, of course, this is going to take a minute to do the whole head. So, I'll be back. Okay, ladies, keep watching. So, I'm back. Look at that. Okay. So, ladies, I decided to add, a pop of orange at the bottom. After hot curling it, this is the way it came. So, what do you think? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Put your pop of color, let it dry, curl it up, and voila. You are ready. You are ready. Let me get back. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. So like I said, I just wanted to stop through, give you a little quick, DIY. If a pop of color is what you're looking for, I think these, the magic colors, the magic curlers, I keep saying colors. The curlers, would do the thing. So, all the description will be left down in the box below. Thank you for watching. And as always, have a what? A Wigalicious day. Bye, everyone.